Sitting in there. You know that. Be sitting in there. I did 35-minute run.
If we can get us a race, I want to see you shoot that gun now.
You don't want me to see shoot this gun.
I want to see you shoot it. Both barrels, eh?
This gun here, I done it the other day. Just might as well throw the shells at them.
Yeah, I want to see both barrels go on it.
I've turned it loose a time or two. You done that back there too?
I want to see you shoot that gun now. We got to get that on video. Well, it's a good thick place in here.
Yeah, it's heavy. It looks like it'd be a rabbit on every corner.
Yeah, it is. Maybe they'll bounce more. I'm sure there's deer's in here.
Little Lucy's acting good today.
Oh, yeah. Dogs hunted hard. They just ain't had no luck with anything. They've hunted real hard today.
Yeah, right through there where that greenery is.
Yeah.
It's thick. All of this is thick. You can get through here. It's not the work. That's in the wrong way. This is hard. This is hard place. I think we're running that one too.
Yeah. Can you go right through there, Danny? Or is that too thick?
Right through here.
That's what I was looking at. This should be rabbit country right here. It ought to be sitting everywhere.
I know it. Where you going, Hog? You on a mission?
He's looking.
Come here. No, come here. No. There's something to it.
It looks like it's going to circle. Is it going to go that way, Danny?
I don't know where it's going to go. I've never seen him run like that before.
Might come up here at the top and cross. They're kind of angling that way.
Right here on this point.